Here's the first obstacle that we have to pass. It's wetting us. Oh no! Oh no! Blubberized. And more blubberized. And here it comes. The next obstacle is right here. It's smashing at us. Yeah. See blue balloons. Yeah, bye da da da. Blue doubloons. Huh. Another one. Oh, spray ball. Awesome. Again? Oh my gosh, look at all that color soap. Look at that color soap. Oh, so beautiful. Ah. And here it comes. It's 1 minute long right now. Here it comes, the last obstacle. The blow dryer makes it look like outer space on the windows. I don't know where the wind is coming from here, but I can tell we're all good. And here we go, we're getting outdoors.